Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your subdomain on Substack. This is particularly useful if you're rebranding your publication or simply want a URL that better reflects your content. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to substack.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your dashboard quickly. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see several navigation options. Click on Dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all aspects of your Substack publication, from writing new posts to adjusting settings. Clicking on Dashboard will redirect you to a new tab. Give it a moment to load completely before proceeding to the next step. Once the new tab has fully loaded, you'll see the dashboard interface with various menu options available. Now look again at the left side of your screen where the navigation menu is located. Find and click on Settings. This section contains all the configuration options for your publication, allowing you to customize everything from your publication's appearance to its technical details. Within the Settings menu, scroll down on the left side until you find an option labeled Danger Zone. Click on it. This section is called the Danger Zone because it contains settings that can significantly impact your publication, so Substack groups them together for safety reasons. In the Danger Zone section, you'll see various powerful options. Look for the one that says Change Publication Subdomain. Right beside this text, you'll find a button that says Change Subdomain. Go ahead and click on it. A confirmation message will immediately appear on your screen. This is Substack's way of making sure you really want to proceed with this change, as altering your subdomain affects your publication's web address. Click OK to confirm that you want to continue. Now you'll see a field where you can type your new subdomain. Enter the subdomain name you've chosen carefully, making sure it's spelled exactly how you want it to appear in your URL. Once you've typed it in, click OK to proceed. Here's where Substack adds an extra layer of security. You'll need to type your new subdomain again for confirmation. This double check ensures there are no typos or mistakes in something as important as your publication's web address. Type it in exactly as you did before and click OK. And that's it. Your subdomain has been successfully changed. Your publication will now be accessible at the new URL you've just set up. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.